everyone, welcome to ENTRAINEVERSE channel. Okay guys, we meet again in free mockup content. So in this free mockup content guys, I will share about various types of mockup that you can download it for free. But before that, you need to find the password. And where is the password and how you can find the password? You can find the password in upper right corner of your screen, and it's starting from now. You can see that guys, in upper right corner of your screen. That's just one character, and then you need to complete all the character from the start of this video until the very end of this video. You need to complete all the character to open the file. And if you find out an error while you extracting this file, it's mean your password is still wrong, and you need to watch again and make sure you input the right one. Okay, let's dive in guys. Okay, so this is the mockup that you will get in this video guys. This is a Varsity mockup that you can use it to display your Varsity concept design. As usual guys, in this free mockup content, I will explain it to you how to use this mockup properly, step by step, very slowly. And if you already know how to use this mockup, then you just watch this video to find the password. It will be easier for you guys. But if you don't know yet how to use this mockup, then don't worry guys, I will explain it to you. And let's start from this master folder. Okay, so what is this master folder? So master folder is just the name to make it simple, and the contents of this master folder basically is just 4 layers that have a very specific layer style and have the specific number of opacity and fill. We can see we have color burn, and then after that we have hard light, and after that we also have multiply, and the last one is overlay. All of these 4 layers basically is just to make it this mockup look realistic. I will show you guys what is this function of this folder. If you turn off this folder, then the mockup it will looks like this, just flat color, have no shading or value of the light. And then when we turn on, we suddenly have this realistic look. That's the reason why we have this folder master. I call it master because this is the most important one. But after that, we move to effect layer. We have to effect layer that specifically I already clipping max to the folder design. It's mean these 2 effects just affected to this folder design. Okay, and after this I will show you guys how to add the design. Okay, the first one, we have this front part, and I will drag it one by one. Okay, but before that I need to explain to you, you need to make sure that you drop the design in this folder design. Don't drop it in here or another place. You have to make sure that you drop it your design to this folder. Okay, we drop the first one. This the part, I think this is the right one. Okay, after you drop it, and then you can change the size and adjust your position. The position, I think this one is for this right one, and you can see we can also lock this one, so it would make it easier when you change everything. Now after this already in folder design, all good. And then we need to add another one. This is for the left one. Okay guys, this design is just for an example guys. You can use another design, your best design guys. Okay, we keep dropping the new element to complete all the part. This is why you need to put your design in this folder design, because we have these 2 effects that make this design look more realistic. I will show you guys. You can see if we turn off these two effects, then it suddenly affected to the design. But if you put this design in for example maybe in the very top of the layer, then it's just flat color. The mockup will not affect it to this design. So you need to make sure your design is you put it in this folder design. Okay guys, you get what I mean. Okay, let's continue to drop the design. I think this one is for this part. Okay, it's very easy guys. You just drag and drop your design, and make sure you already prepare your design to the PNG format. It will make you easier to input it to your mockup, because if it's in another format, maybe you need to working on to remove the background or such as like that. Okay, we have a complete for the front part, and then we need to add the back side. This is for the back side. Just enter like this, and then you can Ctrl S, and suddenly we have this part. And then you just need to adjust the position and maybe the size also. If you already think this good, then press the enter. Okay, that's for the back side. We need to add the sleeve one or the sleeve part. We can open the hand, but actually you can also name it as sleeve. We have this specific code. I call it code because I just make it simple. R hand F, it's mean right hand front, and L hand F, it's mean left hand front. Just to make it simple guys. And I hope you know what does it mean of this two character or two letter that I named it for this layer. Okay, and then we need to add the design for the sleeve one or the sleeve part, and then you can just Ctrl S or Ctrl S to update the design to the main mockup. And if you think this the size and the position is not right, and then you can back again and then resize it and then reposition. Not reposition. What is reposition? Okay, after that, if you already satisfied with this position and the size, then you can move to another layer like this. Okay, this one is for the right one, I think. Then enter, Ctrl S, and then close. We can also close this one. Close. Okay, I think it's too big. We can make it smaller. Enter and Ctrl S again. Okay, after using all of this part of the sleeve already all good, and all the position, all the size is already satisfied for you, and then you open it again. This is why you need to open it again. Ctrl C. That's how you put it in the back side. And then make sure if R, then you need to open the R one like this. Ctrl S. Ctrl S, it's for the update. Then you have already updated in this main mockup. After that, you need to open the L part, and then Ctrl C to copy, and then you can close this one and open another L and Ctrl V to bring the design. Okay, and then you complete all the part of your sleeve. We have this rib part guys. Rib list, it's mean I call this rib for this two strip guys. You can custom this part to 3 line, or you can also have another specific line here. I will show you how it changes. For example, we need to add more. We need to add more line for the rib part, and then we can see we already have the three line guys here, and you can change the color, whatever color you want to pick, like this, and you can see that it's already updated. And the last one is when you want to have a tiny line between these three, and then you need to turn on the stroke one. I will show you how this affected. This tiny strip is for this part, then suddenly you have this tiny line between three line, because sometimes we do have the concept that need a three strip like this, and also need to add this tiny line between them. Okay, that's how you change the strip line for the rib or for the sleeve part, like this guys. But if you just need to color, and then you need to turn off this one and also turn off this strip. So that's for the design folder guys. So we move to the change color. In this folder where you can change all the color, and we have a few different layer that already named as the part, and we have this body part. Then you can change the body color of your Varsity, just like this guys. Just pick where the color that you want to pick guys. It's very simple like this guys, just picking around like this. It's very simple. And this is for the sleeve part or the hand. Maybe you need to change the color. It's very easy guys. Maybe you need to change it to the white one, or just broken white like this. It's okay. And then after that we have the rib one. This rib is for the neck and a sleeve, also the down part of the body. You can change the color like this. It's just the same as the other one. Okay, that's all you need to know about the change color. Okay, so for the last one we have the background folder guys. In this background folder we have two layer. The first one is drop shadow. This one is also adjustable guys. If you need to change the angle and maybe distance, you can also adjust it whatever you like guys. The size is also adjustable, but I need to keep it like this just for an example. And then the last one is the background one. You need to turn off this one if you need to export it as PNG file. Then you have the transparent background file like this. Okay, that's all the part of this mockup. I already explained it guys. I think that's it. That's all the explanation that I need to explain to you guys how to use this mockup properly. I hope you understand all the pronunciation guys, because I'm just start learning. But if you have a difficulty understanding of what I'm talking about, I hope you can understand by watching the video. Okay, but anyway, if you guys need a custom design, maybe Varsity design, streetwear design, poster design, jersey design, or another kind of design, you can just hit me up by email or directly through the WhatsApp, and then we can discuss the concept there. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. I hope you like it. If you guys find out this video useful, maybe please kindly just hit like and subscribe button, and you can help this channel to keep growing. We can see you again guys in the next one. Bye bye.